Hi everyone! Here I am today to share with you how I make my face serum made out of four main ingredients. It is in this bottle. Actually, I have two versions. This is the one I mainly use for the daytime, and this one is the one I mainly use for the nighttime. And look, I'm still learning. I am still investigating this whole natural way of taking care of your skin. So I am not an expert. I'm just sharing what I know so far. First is jojoba oil. Most people do well with jojoba oil. It closely mimics the human sebum, so the oils that we produce naturally. It is rich in vitamin E and it is a lightweight oil. The next oil is rosehip oil, and my fingers are super greasy because these bottles are greasy. So rosehip is also rich in omega-6 and omega-3, vitamin A, vitamin E. It supports skin regeneration, helps with dark spots, and is generally good for acne-prone skin. And again, spot test these things. Make sure that for your skin, it is good, you know? The next oil is the most expensive oil in this list of four ingredients. This bottle costs me like 40-50 bucks. It is a bit pricey, but a little goes a long way with this, as I will show you when I combine these ingredients. This bottle is 1.7 fluid ounces, but it lasts me quite a while. Prickly pear oil is rich in vitamin E, fatty acids that are good for your skin. It is lightweight. It is a strong antioxidant. It helps with elasticity, and it's generally good for dry skin and mature skin, and it absorbs pretty well. Next ingredient is red raspberry seed. This is rich in omega-3s, omega-6s, vitamin E. It supports the skin barrier, helps with inflammation, and it feels pretty lightweight. And some people say it's a natural SPF, but you know your skin best. Do not use this as a replacement for sunscreen or like protecting your skin. Like, wear a big hat, use some mineral sunscreen, a topic for another video. Anyway, so these are the four ingredients that I use. I use about 50% jojoba oil, 20% rosehip oil, and then 15% for these last two oils. And that's why these last me a while, even though they are a little bit more expensive. This one was about like 40-50 bucks. This one was close to 20 bucks, I believe. I've had these for like 6 months. I'm going to prepare my little serums. Excuse the appearance of my bottles. I should probably clean them up, but I need to get this video done, so we're gonna keep on, and I'm gonna wipe this down later. Most of this will be jojoba oil, 50% of it. Try not to spill this, but it's about halfway for this bottle. Your countertop will get a little bit oily. I should have put something underneath, but oh well. Next is rosehip, so I actually put some of my rosehip in this squeezer bottle, and it has this rich yellow orange kind of tint to it, which I love. When it comes to rosehip, I am going to add about 20% rosehip oil, and this is more of a visual 20%. Okay, perfect. And now for the final ingredient. I made a mistake. I accidentally added the red raspberry oil to both of them. I was only supposed to add it to my day one, but it's fine. Like, it's not a big deal. I mainly use it for the daytime because it's supposed to have some sun protecting properties, and I don't necessarily need that during the nighttime. But anyway, no big deal. I still have quite a bit of these. Maybe I have enough for 2 more serum. Yeah, it will last me maybe like 3 more months, and that's perfect for me. So that is it. So at the end, you just give them a little shake so that everything mixes well, and every now and then when you use it, make sure you're mixing it. The other thing about this is that you should store the oils or put them in a container that is amber colored or painted over, like kind of like this. Ideally, you want to use something like this because when you are pouring your oils, you want to see at what level it's getting to, you know, which is harder with this one. So I would kind of had to guess. But anyway, store it in a place where there isn't a lot of sunlight, there isn't a lot of harsh lighting, because some of the ingredients in here oxidize pretty easily when it's exposed to intense light. So make sure that you're putting it in containers like these, but also keep it in a room temperature cool place that is away from the sunlight. So that is it. Let me know if you like this video. Have a wonderful, beautiful, amazing day. I will see you around. Hopefully this was useful in your research, and yeah, see ya.